So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video we will be going to have a review on a certain product that I've got from a drugstore, which is Watson. And this product is very popular nowadays because there are many YouTuber that made a review on it, and I was so curious on how and what will be the result of this product if I will try this. So without further ado, let's get started to the product. So that's it. And this product is but first I will tell you some story or a short intro about this product, because this product is already um, reviewed by many YouTubers, and I know that you already know what will be the result of this, but in this video I'll be going to share to you some ideas what will be the advantage and the disadvantage of this product if you will apply this or if you have this product. So this product I am talking about is this. So I'm very excited, you know. So this product is from Watson. So ulit best, ulit Watson. So Watson, I've got this from Watson. So this product is this. Tadang! So this product is Seoul, White Korea. Um, as you can see, um, this product is only 20 pesos for 2 pieces. So instant whitening product na ito, guys. So before anything else, babasahin ko muna yung description niya dito sa kanyang. I will read to you the description of this product. So, this product is Seoul, White Korea, a non-sticky tone-up whitening cream with whitening arbutin, bearberry, white strawberry, and donkey milk that instantly brightens skin tone upon application. So, it may instantly whitens, brightens our skin, lightens spots, and moisturizers. So that's it, the description of this product, guys. And the direction, I will read to you the direction. So spread over face and neck until fully absorbed. For even better result, use with Soul Whitening Soap. So by the way, guys, meron silang soap nito na binebenta, and yun yung available sa Watson store, kasi ito kasi nga mura, tapos cream lang ito, and it is very affordable. That is why the available in Watson are only soap, because soap are only, I cost only 45 pesos to the small one and 65 pesos to the medium, and then 75 pesos for the larger one. So it is said in the direction that it is more effective if you use the soap of this product. There is a soap product of it, and if you, after you apply the soap, then wash your face, then you can apply this, because it is more effective if you apply soap by washing your face. So let us review and try it. In the direction, it said that apply it in your face and neck. So since my face is very haggard right now, so I will try this in my arms. So this, as you can see, my arms is very moreno. I think that it's moreno, and the, there I already opened some of this. So let's try this, guys. So this is the product. So this is the cream, Sol White Korea cream. It is very the smell is like strawberry, guys. It's very refreshing. The smell is very refreshing. So let's try this. So naka-Duterte pa to, guys. So let's try this. Wow. Oh my gosh. See the difference? Oh my gosh. It it is very effective. It whitens my arm skin, and see the difference. So see, it is very effective. So maybe some of you or many of you already see the review on it on YouTube on how it is very effective, but I will tell to you the advantage and the disadvantage. So let's go for the advantage. The advantage of applying this is when you apply it and rub on your face or body or any parts of your body, any part, so in your arms, face, or anywhere of the part of your body, is that it really absorb, and it is really effective if you apply this on on your skin. It really whitens. But the disadvantage, if after applying this, then the part of your body um, already sweating, or um, you splash some water in it, the whitening cream slowly um, melting, or it removes from your skin. So ang hirap mag-English, no? So pag in-apply mo siya tapos nababasa ka, or na anong tawag dito, pinapawisan ka, is magme-melt at mawawala yung kanyang um, anong tawag dito, mawawala yung cream na in-apply mo at babalik sa dati yung kulay mo. And yun, just ano, just try to stay the cream for about a minute to absorb full to fully absorb the cream on your skin, so that it will last longer. So that's it. So you can see it is very effective, guys, and I can recommend it to those people who wanted um, to have beautiful skin or whitens their skin. And I can also recommend to you the soap and this cream. It is very effective, guys. So because I am using this now, and few days or weeks, I think weeks. I've been using this for weeks now. So that's it for this review, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you so much for watching. So thank you so much for watching this video and review. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up on this video, and please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and click the notification bell beside the subscribe button for you to be updated on my every upload. And once again, thank you so much. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye.